Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports Cricket 2007 on Windows 11. First, ensure your system meets the basic requirements and that all your drivers, especially graphics and sound, are up to date. Next, locate your game installation files, whether from a physical disk or a digital download. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup process and to avoid common issues later on. Once prepared, proceed with the game installation. After the initial installation, it is vital to download and apply any official patches released for EA Sports Cricket 2007. These patches often fix bugs and improve performance. Additionally, explore community-made patches, which can significantly enhance compatibility and stability on newer operating systems like Windows 11, offering a much better experience. To further improve compatibility, right-click the game's executable file and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable Run this program in compatibility mode and choose an older Windows version, such as Windows XP Service Pack 3. Also, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and ensure your display settings match the game's native resolution for optimal visuals. If you encounter issues, ensure DirectX 9.0C is installed, as many older games require it. Always keep your graphics card drivers updated to the very latest version for best performance. For an even richer experience, consider exploring the vibrant community around EA Sports Cricket 2007. Many fan-made mods offer updated rosters, improved graphics, and new gameplay features, breathing new life into this classic title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.